and just walked away from a night of fun. I'm the owner and the founder of the Monday Club, so if you're still up, will you rise and fall when you hear the call from the DJ in the dog and dark?
Hi everyone, my name's Jamie and I'm the drummer for Block 33, and I've been playing drums since I was 11 years old and basically never looked back since. I've been using the Collision 5B drumstick for the past year or so now, and I'm really impressed with the longevity of the stick, how lightweight it feels, hardly any sort of debris splitting anything on the stick at all. It probably lasts 2-3 times longer than the stick I used to use before. And also it's really improved my technique as well, so I know that when I'm using the stick it can really project my sound still. I'm not really having to sort of grip and sort of hit as hard as I used to do as well. It feels like I've been part of the Collision family now for quite a while. I've had a really positive couple of phone calls even before I signed on with the enrolment scheme. And you know, just to see what I'm up to, what the band's doing, what I've got coming up, and also just sort of a catch up to see how I'm doing as well. So I'm really impressed with that, and it's a good sort of omen to start off like this with sort of, you know, hopefully a long friendship and partnership along the way. The song I'm going to play for you today is a song called Battle Cry. It's a song that the guitarist in my band, Danny Manning, and I wrote together in the studio. We initially came into the process wanting to write something quite anthemic and something to sort of you know, hype everything up really, and it now is our opening tune every time we go on stage. So it's really good to hear. It was the sort of first time I've really stepped into songwriting side of things as well. So yeah, hope you like it. Enjoy the song.